Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you change a spiral cable on an N70 Hilux. Alrighty, so working on Sarah's car today. Sarah works here at Mount Dare. So I did a little inspection on her car, and one of the jobs is her clock spring in her steering wheel. She's got no horn. That's a classic Hilux thing. So I've done plenty of these when I was working at Toyota. No horn. Don't get genuine. They're so expensive. Toyota Hiluxes are known for clock springs, and there was a recall with only selected year model Hilux. Ours went, hers is gone, it's a Hilux thing. So Toyota needs to work it out. All Hiluxes from 2005 to 2015 N70, clock spring recall, 100%. If they can do it for certain years, it's the same car, same problems. Alrighty, it's bringing in the workshop. Bag hanging off there. I parked in a shit spot, didn't I? There's two types of spiral cables. If your car has a vehicle stability control and traction control, that's one type of spiral cable. The other one is if you don't have that, which is what this car has. Alrighty, so because I'm working with airbags, I'm going to take off the negative battery terminal, just so the airbag has no reason to blow in my face. Now I'm moving to the inside of the car. Actually, I should have made the steering wheel straight. Steering wheel straight, rookie error. I've done so many of them. And this will take the shroud off. There's one either side. Take the other one off. Take the steering wheel straight again. There's actually one underneath as well that we have to take off. Torque spin in there. One on the other side as well. So it's a T30 torque spit. Kind of helps if you pull the airbag up as you take it off. That's loose, so we'll do the other side now. The airbag's off. So we've got a couple plugs in here. We've got the airbag here. We get in behind the clip. Clicks up, go from the back of there, give it a little nudge, like so, and then it's off. So now, you've also got this little thing down the bottom. Just go from the back and just give it a little pry off. Put your airbag down somewhere on the seat. So we have all these clips here. So we want to take them all out because we're taking this steering wheel off. So here we have a 19mm bolt. Oh. So you don't want to take the nut fully off, just like that. Steering wheel's loose. Now we can take that nut off, just like that. That was dramatic. Slide it, like so. Then a little clip here as well. Take that out. So now all the clips are out. We're just going to go behind this little tab and move it forward. This is definitely a two-hand job. You've also got these two little clips as well. So you just grab a screwdriver and just push it down and bring it out. Same with the other side. Alrighty, there we have the shit spiral cable. This needs to be a recall for every single N70 Hilux from 2005 to 15. Press it in. Just like that. So this is a locking pin, so you break it off. So put all your plugs back in, and now we can start assembling it all back together. Just like that.
Looks
Beautiful.
rough, but that's the technique.
This is the approved technique. So now I'm just going to put these Phillips back in because why not? I took them out first, but just do it when you're at this stage. You can do the bottom one later. Alrighty, so now we want to put this steering wheel back on. So you thread this through the top, line her up.
Near enough, good enough?
No, it's perfect. So you want to make sure that these wires are out of the way of this, because obviously when you're turning steering wheel, you don't want these to get caught on anything. So we'll put the steering bolt in, plug back in, connect the airbag up. Now you kind of wiggle it into position, and then you tighten up the torque spits on the side.
There's only one of this.
Outside. Negative terminal is back on. Fixed. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you change a spiral cable on an N70 Hilux. Little tutorial for you guys at home. Don't pay 600 bucks. Buy the part online, do it yourself at home, save yourself some money.